Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Treasure Voyage quest and unlock the gold furniture in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. After your DG member level reach level 40, you will automatically unlock this quest, Treasure Voyage. And I'm going to show you how you can complete it. First of all, you can talk to Cassie or Naughty. And now I'm in front of Cassie, so I'm going to talk to her. We're going to talk to Cassie or Naughty to ask about the Treasure Voyage. I'm going to click on the Treasure Voyage like this. Wait, guys. Okay. And then again, we're going to talk to Cassie again, guys. And we're going to click on Treasure Voyage. Okay, and here we will unlock the Treasure Voyage. Basically, we can sail here. And for one sail, you will need 10k golds. And then from the sail, you will be able to unlock the gold furniture. Okay, I'm going to click on confirm. And let's see what we get. Oh, I got this one, gold fragment. Okay, and let me open up the treasure vault. Basically, you will have chance to get all these items, but it's pretty hard to get the gold furniture, guys. And yeah, just like that. And next time, if you want to sail again, just visit Naughty or Cassie, and you will be able to open up the treasure voyage. And now it's time to go to Annie to claim the reward, guys. I'm gonna talk to her, and I'm going to claim my reward, the treasure voyage reward. Okay, I got 10k golds. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Treasure Voyage quest and unlock the gold furniture in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.